Hello everyone, welcome to the Vision School Virtual Learning Program. This is me, Miss Urwah. In today's English class, I will explain you action words. What is action word? Which words we use to describe our movements and activities are called action words, such as eating, sleeping, reading, writing, skipping, walking, speaking, jumping, sliding, sitting, standing. So kids, now I am going to show you different pictures in which kids are doing different action. For example, look at there. There is a boy. What he is doing? He is drinking water. Now, what she is doing? She is watching TV. So now look at them. What they are doing? They are sharing books in study time. Dear kids, sharing is good habit. We should share our things with our class fellows. Now you can see what she is doing. She is counting beads. And what he is doing? He is brushing teeth. Dear kids, brushing teeth is a part of our daily cleanliness. We should brush our teeth twice in a day. Now look at there what she is doing. She is washing hands. Very nice girl she is. Dear kids, we should wash our hands after and before eating and drinking. Kids, now we are going toward our English reading. This is your English reader, the Twice Party, page number 1. There is a boy. His name is Keeper. Keeper is sitting on a table. He has some candies, tea, and other things, but we don't know what he wanted. Let's see. Keeper wanted a party. Keeper wanted a party. He wanted a party. Now turn on the next page and let's see what happened with him. He is sitting alone. His siblings are playing in the garden and parents are cleaning cars. He is sitting alone and he wanted some pupils with him. And Toppy is also sleeping. Then what happened with him? Nobody wanted to come with him. Then he went and got his toys. He got his toys. What he did? He got his toys. Dear kids, we have learned this reader page number 1 to 4 and now it's your turn to read aloud it. So kids, now it's your homework time. Do homework on page number 90. Trace the given words and underline the action words such as eat, sleep, bath and cook. So now it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye everyone. We will meet you in next video. Till then take care.